Well, I never tried to hotwire a car before, but I was able to bring this one to life, but I still don't have any cranks, so got to figure out what's going on. But the radio came alive, found out it has 124,000 miles on it. And here's my ghetto hot wiring down here. But just gotta see if we can get it to crank, and then we'll know if this car's worth saving. Well, y'all, I just hot wired my first car at the age of almost 40. Not gonna lie, she sounds pretty healthy. I guess she's worth saving.